Myself and two mates, looking out of the tent, saw a great reflection in the southern heavens at about 7 p.m. In about half an hour, a scene of unspeakable beauty presented itself.
Lights of every imaginable color were issuing from the southern heavens, one color fading away only to give place to another.
A gold miner in Australia had recounted this event to the newspapers in 1909, which was 50 years after he had sighted aurora australis in the sky of his native town way back in 1859.
So that was the Carrington Event, the most geomagnetically intense storm in recorded history.
On September 1, 1859, amateur astronomers Richard Carrington and Richard Hodgson independently observed a bright solar flare flashing out from the sun.
The coronal mass ejection, the charged particles spewing out of the corona, took 17.6 hours to reach the Earth. They were really fast.
The ground-based magnetometers recorded wide fluctuations. It was a geomagnetic storm down here on Earth.
The upper atmosphere lit up with a beautiful display of shimmering light.
The Carrington event established the relation between solar flares and geomagnetic storms. Now that the relationship is firmly established, can we predict a solar storm coming our way?
Actually, it is very difficult to predict the time at which the solar coronal mass ejection will hit the Earth. So when you see the sun, there are a lot of activities going on, the sunspots are moving in. So about 2 days before the event, you see that there is a lot of activity, magnetic fields are pushing each other and the active region is getting bigger and bigger. But exactly when the coronal mass ejection will take place can never predict.
We see solar flares 8 minutes after they are formed, because light takes 8 minutes to come from the sun to the Earth. And now the particles.
But the charged particles, depending on their velocity, may take several hours to come here. So the fastest charged particle may come within 1 hour.
So one can say that after a big solar flare is sighted, we have just about an hour to close the telescopes and the electric grids. Pop's Team Talk Show is full of surprises. Keep watching.